Hello friends, welcome to WordPress tutorials. In our previous video, we have seen that how to install WordPress into our system. Now, in our today's video, we will see the dashboard overview of our website and we will learn how to create several posts into our website. So first of all, we'll start our XAMPP server. We'll start Apache and MySQL both. Once it gets started, we'll open localhost slash demo wp. That is name of our website. See, our website has been successfully loaded. Now here we can see this is the front end of our website, which is by default provided by the WordPress. Here we can see that no posts are being seen to us. Today we will learn how to add several posts into our website. Now, for that, we have to go to our backend part, that is admin section of our WordPress. So for that, we'll type here wp-admin and slash and we'll hit enter. Here, you have to provide your username and password that you have given at the time of installing the WordPress. Now, I have provided my username and password. After that, I will click over here, that is on login button. See, here you can see that our dashboard has been successfully loaded. Now, this is the main area where we will work throughout our tutorial series. Here you can see a message is shown, welcome to WordPress. Here you can see the button customize your site. Some next steps like write your first blog post, add an about page, set up your home page, view your site, manage widgets, manage menus. This all we will look into our upcoming tutorial series. Now we'll today look over our dashboard section. From here we'll open our website, that is open link in a new tab. See, our website has been loaded. Now we'll discuss about this section, what it actually means. First of all, we can see that under the dashboard, we can see that home and updates. We'll click upon home. See, this is the home page that has been by default loaded by the WordPress while we log into our admin section. Now we'll click on updates. In the update page, you can see that some messages has been displayed to us. These all are the updates provided by the WordPress. Here you can see that you can update to WordPress 5.5.1, that is the latest version of the WordPress. Below you can see that plugins, then themes, rest of all you can explore by yourself. Next we'll move to post. Today we'll also learn how to create post into our website. So here we'll go to all posts. See, you can see that nothing is been shown. Here you can see that no post is found. From here we can create our new post. Also from here we can create the same. Next is categories. See, here you can create the categories of your post. That is, your post belongs to which categories. Here you have to provide your name of the category. Next is Slug. Slug is used to create our website SEO friendly. Then parent category, that is if your category has some parent category, you have to select it from here. Here you can provide the additional description. Next is tags. Tags are also used to provide SEO to our website. Next is media. This section holds the media, that is, images or videos that you can add into your website. we can see that library. See, here I have uploaded two images. This we will explore as we will move further. Now, on the add new button, we can add the media or we can upload the media to the WordPress. Next is pages. We'll go to all pages. Here you can see that one sample page has been created. Let's view that. See, this is the sample page which has been provided by the WordPress. From here, we can create the pages to our website, that is home page, contact us page, about us page, and etc. That we will learn in our upcoming videos. Next is comments. Here you can see that which post has been commented by any viewer or any visitor. You can see comments from here. Next is appearance. Under the appearance you can see themes, customize, widgets, menus, background, theme editor. This all will be discussed in a detail in a particular video in a later on tutorials. Here we'll provide some quick overview. Here first of all we'll go to themes. See, here you can see the themes which has been provided by the WordPress. These themes you can use to modify the look of the website. You can also upload your theme that we'll discuss. Next is customize. We'll click on customize. You can see that from here you can see site identity, colors, theme option. This all you can explore by yourself to customize your website. We'll go back to the previous page. Here you can see the widgets. These all are the widgets which you can use to add to your website. Like I have only added here categories. Now let's over demo. Now adding let's add one widget, that is archives over here, and gallery. And now we'll refresh our website. See, here you can see that archives has been successfully displayed to us. Next is menu. Most of the websites mainly contains menu structure, that is home, about us page, contact us page, and etc. So here from this page you can create your menu of your website. That will learn, don't worry. Next is background. From here you can set the background image to the website. See, from here you can select the image. I will select this and will choose this image. Now here you can see that background has been selected. Now we'll refresh it. Yeah, okay, we have to publish it. See, now we'll refresh. Here you can see that color has been changed to black. All the image is not being shown, but some part of it is being displayed. Now we'll close it. Next is theme editor. From here you can edit the theme selected by you. You can add the CSS and all later on. Next is plugins. Here you can see install plugins, add new plugin editor. Plugins are used to create your website easily and fastly. Like you can select the by default or developed plugins by others to import into your website. I will show it how you can add plugins to your website into our later on videos. So next is plugins. We'll go to install plugins. See, these are the plugins which has been by default provided by the WordPress, that is Akismet, Anti-Spam, Hello Dolly, and we'll go to add new. We can also upload our plugin. Then you can also edit the plugin, like go to CSS and you can make changes into it. That we'll see later on. Next is users. Users are those who visits your website or who subscribes to your website. we'll go to all users. Users are the person that you add to your website. Now, let me show the demo. Here we'll add one new user to our website. We'll provide username to demo, email demo@gmail.com. First name is user1, last name user2, website and all I don't want. See, this is the main part. How you allow the user to your website, that is as a subscriber, as a contributor, as an author, as an editor, or as an administrator. I will add as a subscriber and I will click on add new user. See, here you can see that demo has been added. His role is subscriber, his email is demo@gmail.com. This you can add, that is if you are working in a partner base, like if more than one person are working on your website, then you can create such things. You can see here your profile, like you can also view your profile, that is the current user profile. Next is tools. Here you can see import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data. This all will not require now, we'll discuss as we will be requiring. Next is settings. This is the main section which we considered into our side panel, or which we consider in the WordPress. From settings we'll go to general settings. See, here is the site title of our WordPress. You can see awake demo. Tagline, that is blogging demo, we can see that blogging demo. Next is WordPress URL, that is this URL which we always use to enter to see our website. Next is site URL. This all you can change as per your convenience. If you host somewhere and if you buy domain, you can provide your host name and site name here. Membership, like anyone can register. New user default role, that is subscriber, you can change it from here also, and you can change from user section also. Then time zone, then date format, I have selected October 8. Time format, week starts on, and rest of the settings. Next is writing. See here, mail server, that is the mail server. If your website contains mailing service, that you can configure over here, that is login name and password. Next is reading settings, like see if in your home page how many posts you want to display. From here you can change it to your latest post and a static page. Like if you have developed any particular page, and if you want to show when your website gets loaded, you can select over from here. That is like home page is sample page and post page is different page, that we will learn, don't worry. For now we'll keep it as your latest post. Blog pages show at most, that is number of posts you can see at one time. That is 10 posts, you can reduce it 10, 9, 8 as per your convenience. Syndication feeds, this shows the most recent post, that is number of recent posts from here. For each post in a feed include full text or summary. Next is search engine visibility. I have checked this as discourage search engine from indexing this site. This we will discuss later on. Next is discussion. In the discussion settings, you can see that default post settings, other comment settings, email me before a comment appears. This all you can look at your convenience and you can explore more. Next is media. These are the media settings, that is thumbnail size. If your website contains any thumbnails, then what will be the minimum requirement size for that. Then medium size, maximum width, maximum height, large size, maximum width, and maximum height. Permalinks. WordPress offers you the ability to create a custom URL. From here, you can create your own custom URL for each page. Like you can create it for your post, you can create it for your individual page, and etc. Next is privacy. This is the privacy policy page. As a website owner, you may need to follow the national or international privacy laws. For example, you may need to create and display a privacy policy. Like WordPress recommends you to add a privacy policy page to your website as per the national or international privacy laws. It indicates that it has been privacy to particular person. Next is a refresh icon. See, this will display the updates which we got from here also. Yeah, updates here. This is the comments which we received from here. You can create new post, new media, add new media, new page, new user. From here you can edit your profile and you can log out from admin section from here. That's all for today's section. In our today's video we discuss about dashboard overview